Are you considering bankruptcy but worried about how it'll affect your credit? We'll help you better understand the process and how that happens and how the bankruptcy process does actually affect your credit. Once you've made the decision to file bankruptcy, there can be added fears about being able to obtain new credit in the near future, be it for a car loan or credit card or even a mortgage. As we've said in other videos, filing bankruptcy doesn't mean you have to give up your house or your car. But those credit fears are certainly understandable, but we're going to help you understand the process so you can kind of put those fears aside. In most cases, if you're really considering bankruptcy, your credit's probably already taken a couple of big hits. The collection of debts comes with missed payments, late fees, negative reporting to all the credit bureaus. So how bad is bankruptcy gonna hurt? Typically not that bad. For most people, not that much, depending on your credit score at the time you file. It can be minimal. There are instances where a person's credit can take a substantial hit, but people with good credit scores typically haven't reached the point of filing bankruptcy. Now, my position is, the faster you file, the easier it is, the more you save, and in that situation, your credit may take a hit, but it'll come back real quick. So depending on the type of bankruptcy you file and how it works, it can stay in your credit report for 7 to 10 years. But that doesn't mean you can't start rebuilding credit immediately. There are ways to start rebuilding your credit, and there are options that people have. We'll list some of those options in the description below. But typically when somebody files bankruptcy, they'll see a credit score jump close to 100 points within 6 months of filing, as long as they do the right things. For more information on rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy, check out the video on credit rebuilding tools. Now here's the thing, I just want to explain this real quick. People are worried about being able to get credit after they file. I'm going to give you 2 scenarios. You have a person who makes 50 grand a year, they got $25,000 in credit card debt, and they're asking you for money, and they can file bankruptcy at any time. If another person makes 50 grand a year, has $0 in credit card debt, and they just filed bankruptcy, so they cannot file bankruptcy for another 8 years. Which one of those 2 would you loan money to? Just think about that. If you have any more questions about bankruptcy and credit in Arkansas, please comment below. We'll try to get those answered. And always subscribe to get more content from our channel.